In the depths of our solar system, past the familiar orbits of Jupiter and Saturn, lies a mysterious world, a planet so frigid, so distant, that it's largely remained an enigma for centuries.
Uranus, the icy giant, known for its tranquil blue-green hue and discovered by German-born British astronomer William Herschel in 1781, is now revealing secrets that challenge what we thought we knew, even 243 years after its first sighting.
Uranus is unique, not just because it's the third largest planet in our solar system, big enough to fit 63 Earths inside, but because it's unlike any other. It rolls through space, tilted almost on its side, with 28 known moons and 2 sets of rings, a spectacle of cosmic peculiarity, and yet even with its size and distinctive tilt, there's still so much about it that has eluded us. Our biggest breakthrough with Uranus came from NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft, which zipped past this icy world in 1986, giving us our first close-up look. But as we've learned only recently, Voyager's data was skewed by some rare cosmic weather. For 5 days, Voyager 2 observed Uranus while battling a fierce solar wind, an intense stream of charged particles bursting from the sun. This solar wind event was unusual, occurring only 4% of the time. It compressed Uranus's magnetosphere, a giant magnetic shield around the planet, down to a fraction of its usual size. This unusual circumstance painted an incomplete picture of the planet's magnetic field and plasma environment.
We found that the solar wind conditions present during the flyby only occur 4% of the time. The flyby occurred during the maximum peak solar wind intensity in that entire 8-month period. We would have observed a much bigger magnetosphere if Voyager 2 had arrived just a week earlier.
So what did this rare event reveal and hide from our view? Even Uranus's 2 largest moons, Titania and Oberon, are getting renewed attention. Voyager suggested these moons spend most of their time outside the magnetosphere, exposed to cosmic radiation. But this new study has revealed they actually orbit within the magnetic shield more often than we thought. This means they might have hidden oceans under their icy crusts, oceans that could potentially harbor the conditions for life. And that brings us to a tantalizing question. Could there be life beneath the icy surfaces of Uranus's moons?
Across the solar system, from Jupiter's Europa to Saturn's Enceladus, icy moons with hidden oceans have become targets for astrobiologists, those scientists searching for signs of life beyond Earth.
NASA has already launched a mission to Europa to investigate its subsurface ocean. Could a mission to Uranus be next?
Jamie Jasinski said,
A future mission to Uranus is crucial to understanding not only the planet and magnetosphere, but also its atmosphere, rings, and moons. We have so much left to uncover.
So as we look back on Voyager's journey through our solar system, we see it captured not just images, but mysteries yet to be solved. Uranus, with its serene blue-green glow, now holds our curiosity anew. And in a cosmos where each discovery raises even more questions, one thing is certain: Uranus, 243 years later, still has a few surprises up its sleeve.